Welcome to the Superior Court of Justice, better known to the public as the criminal courthouse within the municipality of Chatham, Kent. I am Police Constable Kelly Helbin, and I now work here at the courthouse. Follow me inside and we'll take you for a tour. When you first enter the courthouse, all the public comes to this area, which is called our weapons screening area. This is to determine if any of the public comes in that have any weapons on them. So we're going to go through the process, just like I'm a member of the public, going through the weapons screening process.
Hello, I'm Special Constable Carter. I'm going to be doing the weapons screening here today. So I'll ask these certain questions. Do you have any metal objects in your pocket?
I do. I have my cell phone.
Anything else on you at all?
I do have some keys.
Okay, do you have any weapons, any knives?
I don't have anything on me today.
All right, if you want to walk through the magnetometer, please.
So what I'm walking through here is just like it would be walking through at an airport. It detects all anything metal on somebody's body.
And as you can see, it lights up right in the middle. That means she's got a lot of metal in the center area. So I'm going to scan her with the scanner here. Okay, I see you got a gun on you.
I do.
Okay, all right. Since you're an officer, I guess you can have that. You got some keys, some more metal there. Yep, you're clear to go.
Okay, from here. Oh.
Here you go. Here's your stuff. Take the whole bag. There you go.
Thank you, Special Constable Carter.
Take care.
From here, we will head into one of the courtrooms. Welcome to one of the courtrooms in the courthouse. As you follow me into this room, you can see it's quite a large room. This is the door where the accused would enter the courtroom, and he or she would walk right over here and enter this box, and this is where they would sit for the duration of the trial. Over here is where the defense lawyer sits, and the defense lawyer is the lawyer for the accused. Right here is where the Crown Attorney sits, and the Crown Attorney is the lawyer for the people of Canada. Here, the defense lawyer or the Crown Attorney would walk up to address the judge, and they stand and talk at the pulpit. Follow me over here, and this is where the jury would sit. Oftentimes we see in television shows a case that requires a jury to listen, and this is where they would sit. Juries consist of 12 men and women, and this is where they sit throughout the duration of the trial. Back here is where a witness would come and actually enter into this box. I have all my gear on, so it's a little tight for me. They would enter into here. They would swear on the Bible, and they would sit here and they would speak and answer questions from defense lawyer, the Crown Attorney, and they would sit here until they were finished. Over here is where the court reporter sits. Then further down here, this is where the court clerk sits. They keep everything organized during a trial, and they also document everything that is said. As you follow me over here, this is where the judge sits. So he or she would have view of the entire courtroom. They listen to it all. They also have books on hand and things to refer to, and they can keep an eye on everything going on in their courtroom. This is the holding cell area of our courthouse. And coming down this hallway, you can see that there are 3 cells. These cells are the exact same cells that we have at our Chatham police headquarters. Walking into one of the cells, they're quite small, quite confining. I'm going to even shut the door. Even though I know it's not locked, it's still a little bit scary. Just being behind bars. Here's a sitting area. To my right is an area where the accused person could lay down. And then also behind this little wall is a toilet and a sink to provide a little bit of privacy. The control room up here monitors, so that means all of these cells are on video and are being watched for the safety of the accused. Holding cell means that the accused person would come up here just to hold them, for them to wait until they were to appear in their courtroom. I'm going to open this door now, and you can follow me down this hallway. Oftentimes, the accused lawyer, which would be the defense lawyer, needs to speak with them, or they ask to speak with the lawyer, and they would come over here and through this door. And the accused person would sit here. Their defense lawyer would come through the other door, and they speak to them through this glass. Thank you for coming to the courthouse today on the virtual tour. We hope you enjoyed your visit.